Next, please. So as I mentioned earlier, the design is scalable, and it's all about having the right attributes and understanding what we need to do to scale the fuselage, the wing and tail system, et cetera. We're looking at a number of potential options for our aircraft, and everything from a two-seat high-performance aircraft to a five-seater, which would be more of a general aviation that people are used to, 4 or 5 seats, a 9-passenger, something more like a Caravan, Pilatus, et cetera, and then eventually up into commercial transport for those regional routes that have disappeared. They could be long distance routes, but we'll see where it goes in the future. So there's a number of different options that are available, and we believe that, again, this aircraft design is really ideal for all of these different market opportunities. And so here's some of the things that we are looking at. Next, please. Let's look at a couple of those markets and how they compare to what's available today. If we look at the two-seat aircraft market, they're mostly kits today. So the larger bubbles are some of the kit aircraft that are available. P-50, P-51 Mustang type replicas are a number of them, or you end up with some of the experimental aircraft that are available in Europe. The Diamond DA-20 is a production aircraft. It's a little larger. It's more of a 4-seat. But as you look at what's there, the efficiency just doesn't add up. Our design is all about the most knots per horsepower, and we're not aware of any other design that exists on the planet today where you can get more knots per horsepower of energy expended. And then from a marketing standpoint, the focus is we would also be able to deliver a good value in terms of knots per $1,000 that you spend to buy the plane. So you want it to be affordable, but you also want it to be efficient. And we believe that this is the design of the future. If we look at some of the larger aircraft on the next slide, please. Again, you see how we compare in the 5-seat market as well as the 9-passenger market plus 2 pilots. And we've thrown in a couple of electric aircraft, again, just to show the comparison. I understand that, Archer and Joby are eVTOLs. It's not exactly a fair comparison. Volterra is really more of a fixed wing, and so that's a reasonable comparison. The idea is, as you look at efficiency again, our focus is efficiency. eVTOLs are by design less efficient, but they have a very specific mission which our design could not serve. We are not vertical. We're not going to get you to the top of a building downtown. But if you need to go someplace that's further and faster and you want to carry more payload, then we are the best option that exists.